Dear friends, welcome to the Mechanical Workshop Practical 1. In this practical, we will study about plant layout for carpentry and fitting shops. First of all, we will see about the definition of plant layout. A plant layout refers to the physical facilities such as machines, equipment, tools, furniture, etc. in such a manner to allow quickest flow of the material at lowest cost and with the least amount of handling in processing of the product from the receipt of the raw material to the delivery of the final product. Now let's see about the various objectives of a good plant layout. The main objective of the good plant layout is proper utilization, avoid delays, safety, ease of supervision and control, improve productivity, and reduce handling cost. Now let's talk about various types of plant layout. The main type of plant layouts are product layout, it is also known as straight layout, process layout, also known as functional layout, and third one is the fixed position layout. Now let's see about the various types of layout one by one. First of all, product type or straight layout. In product layout, the equipments are arranged according to the progressive steps by which a product is made. In this type of layout, raw material is fed continuously from one end and the finished product is received from the other end of the layout. For example, cement industries, refineries, etc. The main advantage of this type of layout is it allows mass production and low cost of production. But the disadvantage is its higher initial investment, higher supervision, less flexibility and higher maintenance during the breakdown. Now let's see about the process layout. In a process layout, the equipment of similar type in one place are arranged according to the progressive steps by which a product is made. Generally, in this type of layout, general purpose machines are chosen to perform variety of products at the same time. For example, in automobile parts manufacturing industries, the main advantage of this type of layout is we can perform the operations in batch productions. It consumes low investment in capital and it allows us flexibility, lower maintenance costs during the breakdown. But the disadvantages are it needs higher skilled labor, higher supervision, higher material handling cost. Now the fixed position layout. In a fixed position layout, the equipment and other facilities are brought to the work center itself. For example, shipbuilding, dam constructions or spacecraft construction. The main advantage of this type of layout is we can reduce cost according to our customization. The main disadvantages of this type of layout is that it takes a long period of time for completion of a single project. It also consumes higher investment and capital costs. Sometimes in this type of project, simultaneous operations are carried out at a time, so this type of layout is meant for long-term projects. Now let's see about a typical floor plan of the workshop. In this type of floor plan, we can see various types of departments such as carpentry shop, fitting shop, welding shop and machine shop. Basically, The main difference between various departments of the carpentry and fitting shop is its arrangement. Arrangement of various tools and equipments. For example, the carpentry vise is different in shape and size and its construction. The carpentry and fitting vises hold the workpiece during the operation performed on it. The carpentry vises and fitting vises are fitted on the tables which are arranged in a manner such that the proper space can be provided to the workman so as to allow him or her more comfortable environment during working hours. Safety is also very important. There are two other storage departments in which one is used for storing the raw material and another one is utilized to store the finished products. In carpentry and fitting shops, we generally use hand tools and other equipments manually. So it is very important to wear proper clothing and shoes during the working in the workshop. It is very essential to keep the surrounding areas neat and clean after the work is over and to keep the worn out tools in a proper position, condition and place. So, it is very important to maintain and upkeep the various equipment and tools when and where it is required. That's all for today's session. Have a nice day.